Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box of April. I just got it in the mail and it is super pretty with this lilac color all over it. And this is the spring edition. In this one we have 6 products. They claim that the total value is £65. We're gonna check that at the end of this video. And this is designed to give yourself the ultimate at-home pamper. We're gonna see that. And let's open this. I'm curious to see if we have any special message again. Yes, we have! Hello Spring, we missed you. That's right. And we have again the beauty box edit with all of the prices and information about the products. I'm very happy that we have this in every beauty box. I love the colors. And the first product is a coffee scrub. This is by the brand... What is the brand? Oh, Mine Tan Body Skin, and it says this is for buttery, smooth, soft skin. We are getting 30 grams of product, so maybe we can use it twice or 3 times. Let's get smooth, exfoliate and revitalize your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Bath on freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin and target imperfections such as dry, flaky skin, uneven skin tone, breakouts and stretch marks. I don't really believe that it can do something for stretch marks, but if it can help for dry and flaky skin, I'm fine by that. So let's see what information we have in this one. Where are you, coffee scrub? For 30 grams of product, the price is £9.95. That's expensive. And after that we have a little palette. This is by the brand Bella Pierre, and we have the Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. It is super pretty. I love this color. It is so amazing. This is cruelty free and we have 4 eyeshadows. Let's see the colors. Dun dun dun. Oops. The plastic layer here. Ooh, it smells plastic. Very intense. The packaging is very pretty. We also have this mirror. Let's do some swatches. The first one is matte and all the other have a shimmery finish. They are not super shiny, but a lot of people don't like very shimmery eyeshadows. What do you think? Do you like this color story? I think that it is very pretty for spring makeup looks. Let's find out about the price of it. Where is it? Is this one? So we have an eye look here, but I don't see the price anywhere. Ooh, that's pricey for 4 eyeshadows. And the palette is £28.99. And this palette is exclusively launching in this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. So I'm very curious if this is only for the Lookfantastic box. Most likely I'm gonna do a makeup look with a lot of the Lookfantastic makeup products that I got, because I have some more. Not bad, not bad. Let's continue with another mask. This is by the brand Star Skin and it is a nourishing and brightening 2-step oil sheet mask. This is infused with 25 milliliters of serum. This one here is 100% camellia oil. On the back of the packaging we have some instructions how we can use this mask, and it says step 1, cleanse face and pat dry. Then you apply the oil on your face, and the next step is to use the mask that we have in this area, and you can leave it on for 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the first time that I have a 2-step sheet mask. It says that this is for all skin types, and let's find out. The price for this one is £9. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any products by Star Skin. I think I have one more sheet mask, but I haven't tried it yet. This is exactly what I need now because my skin is getting drier because I am a lot of days at home. After that we have this Hydrate and Nourish lotion. This one contains 15 milliliters and it is by the brand Erno Lastio, New York. And this is a hydrating toner that can gently calm and hydrate your skin. It refreshes and eliminates dullness, and also it can balance moisture. It doesn't sound bad, so let's see how it actually looks. It's very tiny, but I'm guessing that we don't need a lot of product. The packaging is not the prettiest for a skincare product. We have a plastic bottle. This calming toner is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. That's exactly for me. And it is formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing. Usually with skincare products we have something more glamorous, so I'm very curious to see how much the price is for this one. Let's see. Oh, for 15 milliliters this is £5.58. Dollars? No. So here we have a product by the brand Ameliorate, and this is a transforming body lotion. So we have a product for body, and we are getting 30 milliliters for a body lotion. That's not a lot of product, so this is a sample again. This is dermatologist approved. It contains the unique LAH6 that I have no idea what is that. It says it is the skin hydration complex. This is suitable for all skin types and it can last up to 12 months. But I think you're gonna use it in just 1 month because that's not a lot of product. So it says apply twice daily for 4 weeks. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Okay, that doesn't sound nice. So this is not a product that you should use when you're going out. But we are staying at home, so this is not gonna be a problem. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. So keep that in mind if you want to try this one or if you got it also in your beauty box. The price for 30 milliliters is £4. That means for a regular product it is going to be around £30. I would prefer if we got a full-size product for this because it is a body lotion and 30 milliliters is not a lot of product. Let's continue with... what is this? So this is by the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company and we have slanted tweezers. Okay, the packaging is super pretty. I like this vintage design. High quality slanted tweezers for easy brow shaping. So this is made from hard wearing stainless steel. I don't know if that makes any difference, and these are a must-have for every girl's makeup bag. This is a British brand and it is made in China. Also it is cruelty-free. Ooh. I was expecting the roses on the packaging. I'm kinda disappointed. But this is very heavy duty pair of tweezers. It's not flimsy, it is very sturdy and I'm very excited to try it. You can never go wrong with an extra pair of tweezers and it says here the name of the brand. I would prefer some roses. It would make it super beautiful. And this is worth £8. That's not bad. It feels very good and I think it can last. The overall value of all the products is £65.52, so this is what they claim. For this beauty box I like the variety, but I would prefer if we had some more full-size products. Usually we're getting samples and I don't like that. I like the range and I think that you can actually pamper yourself at home with these products. You can find here a lilac super easy eye makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!